Okay, so I talked to the owner of this. This is 78 Seville. He did an amazing job on this. You rarely see Sevilles at a show and on the road, but I just wanted to take you guys through this. 78, he converted it to a carb 442. He took out the 350 that was fuel injected. And he said the paint is from a Fleetwood color, Twilight blue. Just something you don't really ever see on the road, and even rarely at a show. You just never see Sevilles of this here. But this guy did an amazing job. Obviously, he's added his own little touches, but he decked it out, but he did a really classy job on it. So it's got a little flair to it, but he did it to a point where it's like very, very detailed, classy, not too gaudy. He's got the custom grill on it, custom hood ornament, but custom wheels. But he did an amazing job on it. So he did the 442 himself, he said. He said he couldn't deal with the early fuel injection. So his buddy had a 442, they dropped it in himself. And you can tell it's the 70s from the interior. It's got all the wood grain of that era. Seats. Upper light. So he did an amazing job on it, I gotta say. For Seville, this one's definitely an eye catcher. Might be able to get a better angle here with less sun. Dash looks perfect. Got an aftermarket stereo in there, but guy did an amazing job. So that's the main Cadillac of the show. Like I said, you don't see too many of these, but when you do, it definitely stands out.